Hi friends, welcome back to the Programmer Guide YouTube channel. So as of now we have completed the stream API intermediate methods and terminal methods, right? In this video we are going to discuss about the parallel stream. Okay. See, why in this video we are going to discuss about the parallel stream, what is parallel stream and how it is going to work, and how many ways we are going to create the parallel streams. So we will see in the real-time examples. Okay. See, parallel streams are very important feature in the Java 8. Parallel streams are utilizing multi-cores of the processor. See, if you see in this diagram, right? See, multi-core CPU is there, like i3, i4, i10, i9 or i12, some kind of processor is there. So here, right, core 1, core 2, core 3, core 4, core 5, different 5 cores I have taken as an example. Okay. See, if you take the stream, right, it is going to be work in the all the streams. Suppose if you coming to the normal streams or sequential streams, right, it is going to be work on the single core systems. But parallel streams are going to be execute the multi-core. That means each data is going to be divided into the separate stream, and it is going to be executed as a separate thread into the different streams. Like a thread 1 is working in the core 1, and thread 3 is working in the core 5, or thread 11 is working in the core 3. Likewise, there is no guarantee of the order of execution also, and there is no guarantee for the order of results, end results or final results also. Let's see for another other important features how it is going to be worked. See, in normal Java program, right, each and every code or streams are executing sequentially. Even if you are writing in the normal Java program, right, collection program or any inheritance or any thread class programs, right, it is going to be execute sequentially one by one. But parallel streams are going to be work in uh, multiple cores. Like it is going to be divided into the multiple streams. Those are executed in the parallel on separate cores of the CPU, and end result is going to be combination of individual outcomes. Like me, each and every stream is executing in the parallel, right? Core 1, core 2, core 3, core 5. All the data is going to be combined, and it is going to be result as a output. Okay. But here you need to remember one thing, right? Since execution order is not in our control, so that final results of the stream is not in the maintain the order. Okay, that means that is also not in the our control. See, there are two ways we can create the parallel streams: by using the base stream dot parallel and collection dot parallel streams. Okay, in these are the two ways we can create the parallel streams. Okay, before going to the how we are going to create, right, we will discuss about why parallel streams are introduced. Parallel streams are introduced to increase the performance of the program, but opting a parallel stream is not always the best choice, because, right, when you are working with the large scale or complex projects, right, sequential streams are good choice, because the data is going to be ordered without putting any effects or costing cost effects. Okay, suppose, right, parallel streams are good choice for small projects. Since data is less, right, if you want to maintain the order explicitly, you can maintain by using the for each order method. But it is cost effective, because, right, all our collections data structures and map data structure is going to be maintain this order. But set I mean, some of them is not going to be maintain the order, but most of the collections are maintain the order, right? So whenever you are maintaining the order, so you need you no need to put the extra effort to organize the data. Okay, that is the reason sequential streams or actual streams are going to be best choice for the large scale applications. See, coming to the base stream dot parallel How it works means base interface of the streams, which are sequence of the elements supporting the sequential and parallel aggregate operations. That means parallel method of the base stream interface returns the equivalent of the stream, but order is not going to be maintained, and it is going to be execute each and every data set of data is going to be divided into the multi cores of the system. So each core is going to be execute individually, and at the end it is going to be combined and display the end result. Okay, this parallel method is a intermediate operation, so it returns the unordered or unpredictable output of the given input. Let's see the example, right? You can understand. See parallel example 1. If you see, right, see here I am creating the int stream which is going to be range from 1 to 15. See, int stream is the subclass of base stream. So base stream is the superclass. Okay, so we can use the here in place of base stream, right? You can use the int stream also. Int stream has the range method, range closed 1 to 50. Okay, I'm displaying the 1 to 50 numbers. Let me execute. So it is going to be display the 1 to 50 numbers. 1 2 3 4 up to 50. Okay, and what I want to do is, right, I want to return the even numbers from the given int stream. Okay, by using the parallel. Since parallel method is not displaying the order right or not maintaining the order right, parallel stream dot filter and I divided by 2 and remainder is 0, then it is going to be even numbers, right? So I am looping that by using for each whatever the end result is came. See here, right, some of the stream as executed 34 32 36 30 18 40. So there is no maintained any order. So but because of not maintaining the any order, and this 1 to 50, right, it is divided into the multiple cores of the system, right, and each core system is executed individually, so that it has given the quick result. Since it is a small application, it is okay, but for larger applications streams are the good choice. Okay, so let's see the another example of the parallel stream, right? I have taken the one demo file. The demo file contains, let me show the demo, what demo file contains. Java is a most popular programming language. It is the content it is having. Okay, when I'm trying to execute this program, right, so I'm reading the data by using the files, and files dot lines in the stream API, right, files is the another class is there. So by using the lines is the method, so it is going to be results the stream as the end result and filed to path. If you see this method, right, here we can pass the path, and it is going to be convert all the data into the stream. Okay, so this text is the stream of the data, text dot parallel dot for each. So when I'm trying to execute this data, right, of the file, I have given the input. Java is the most programming language, but by using parallel stream, how it is going to display, we can see here. See, there is not a maintained order since the multiple cores are executed. See, most language is a Java popular programming. So our input is Java is a most popular programming language, but here the data is not maintained in any order. Okay, so let's see the another example. I mean another type how you can create like a collection dot parallel stream. Suppose, right, if you want to create the streams, you can create by using the collection dot parallel stream. Parallel stream method of collection interface returns the possible parallel stream with collection as a source. Here, right, earlier we have taken the base stream as a source. Now we are going to take the collections, any kind of collections as the source. Okay, so here, right, parallel stream method is a intermediate operation. It is a platform independent. Suppose, right, parallel streams are executed in the Windows operating system. So here end result is going to be maintain one order. If you are going to execute in the Unix or Apple computers, right, the output is going to be written different way. So each and every platform, right, the data is going to be different. Okay, the parallel streams are not maintaining the order, so the end output is not going to be unpredictable. Suppose, right, if you want to maintain any order, then you need to use the for each order method. In that case, performance will be bit reduced, because, right, on top of the unsorted array, unsorted data, you are again trying to perform the order. So it is performance is going to be bit reduced. Okay, let's see the examples for this collection.parallel tree, how it works. See, I have taken the one array list. Okay, since it is a collection, I'm playing the parallel stream dot for each. See, I'm going to comment here first this line. Okay, so how I have taken the 1 to 15 numbers. Okay, let's see how parallel streams is going to be work. See, there is not maintained any order. Suppose, right, if you want to maintain the order, let me comment this line number 12 and uncomment from the line number 14. Okay, so let's see how the data is going to be displayed. See, after applying the for each order, right, on top of the parallel streams, the data is going to be ordered. So the same way, right, the parallel stream, the parallel base stream of parallel is also having the for each order actually. See, for each order is there, right? So you can maintain the order. So this is how you can work with the parallel streams. I am going to demonstrate one more example with respect to threads. See, I have taken the int string and doing the printing the range from 1 to 10, because, right, I wanted to know the how thread execution is happening. Later, right, I am using the for each parallel method. Okay, and need to check how these threads are going to be executed. The normal way, the thread 1, thread 2, thread 10 executed in the sequential order. But when you are working with the parallel streams, right, it is not maintaining any order. If you want to maintain this thread order, right, you can give the for each ordered method. Now we will see how this thread is going to be executed. See, the threads are maintaining the order almost. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the content of the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.